राजनीति के लिए पूरे गोवा में जानी जाती है, वो अपनी पार्टी की नीतियों से परेशान होकर आज आम आदमी पार्टी में शामिल हो रही हैं। मैं उनका तहे दिल से स्वागत करता हूं और मुझे लगता है कि आम आदमी पार्टी भी बहुत ईमानदार पार्टी है, मैडम भी बहुत ईमानदार हैं, सही जगह आ गई हैं, एक तरह से पहले गलत जगह पे थी। मैं उनका तहे दिल से स्वागत करता हूं और मुझे लगता है कि उनके आने से आम आदमी पार्टी को और आम आदमी पार्टी की ईमानदार राजनीति को गोवा में भी और राष्ट्रीय स्तर के ऊपर भी बहुत बल मिलेगा। मैं अलीना मैडम का स्वागत करता हूं। अब मैं उनसे निवेदन करूंगा कि वो अपनी बात रखें।
A very good morning, and I think this is a very, very important day for me because I have taken a major step and decided that I had to leave the BJP for various reasons and join Aam Aadmi Party because I believe that this party is a party of the common man. It is sad for me to make this statement, but yes, BJP is no longer the party that belonged to late Manoharji Parrikar, who was the chief minister then. It is no longer the party that late Matani Saldana joined with a lot of hope for the state of Goa and the people of Goa. In fact, recent happenings in the state had forced me to take a stand that was opposing to the government. And when I say this, I'm talking about the 3 linear projects. In fact, I made it a point to take the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa onto the tracks to make him understand what will happen if the track, the Southwestern Railway track, is doubled. And very evidently, he saw where the second track will end, which is within the compound walls of the houses along the entire alignment, which means we'll be destroying the homes of the people. People will be forced to leave their homes. There will be pollution caused by coal dust. There will be pollution not only air pollution, but also pollution of the water bodies that will lead to loss of aquatic life. There will be ample pollution and destruction. And most certainly, the people, the residents of these houses will no longer be able to live in their own homes. They'll have to go elsewhere. And I firmly believe that such projects cannot be termed as development because these projects are anti-people. And therefore, as an elected member, as a representative of the people in a democratic setup, I definitely felt that it was my duty to stand by the people. And yes, I will do that till the end, till my last breath, because that was what my husband, late Matani Saldana, would have done. Matani Saldana, I think the people of Goa know very well. I don't have to say a word about him. Nevertheless, I would like to make a statement very definitely that if Matani Saldana was alive today, he would be seated on the tracks trying to convince the government that this is a project that will destroy Goa. And since I am trying my best to walk in his footsteps, that is the same stand. And I was feeling suffocated. I was feeling that I think the party also felt that I was an obstruction to their goals, which were anti-people. And therefore, I felt that if I am with the people, then I cannot be with the BJP anymore. And therefore, after a deep thought, I decided to join Aam Aadmi Party, the party of the common man, the party which I believe puts the common man in the first position whenever it decides to take up any project. I am now in the state of Delhi. I am here and I have been looking around and I have seen the progress that the government has done and progress that is pro-common people. You know, simple issues like, for example, free traveling in the buses for the ladies. I think that's a beautiful way of, ensuring that the lady can travel even to a greater distance because she doesn't have to pay for her transport. She can go further distances seeking employment and thereby bringing the economic level of the family. I think there are so many things, I don't want to go into detail because I think all of you know what your government is all about. And I had a talk with the Chief Minister of Delhi, and I'm convinced that my decision is the right decision because if I am in this public life, it is only to serve. So I am very happy to join the Aam Aadmi Party, and because I have lost that belonging sense. I cannot equate myself with the party anymore. And also, I think there have been certain issues where I feel that the sacrifice that Matani did for the party, trying to win the elections at the cost of his life. Because when Matani went away, he died of a heart attack due to sheer exhaustion after working hard, climbing every floor to convince the people. And if Matani was here today, he would be as disappointed as I am. And therefore, I had to take this decision and I have joined the party, the Aam Aadmi Party, that I believe will definitely deliver to the people of the state of Goa. I believe the Aam Aadmi Party will also be there for the common man, to ensure the needs of the common man. I have full faith in the Chief Minister, Shri Kejriwal, and I thank him for welcoming me into the party.
तो मैं गोवा के लोगों को भरोसा दिलाना चाहता हूं कि कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट गोवा के लोगों की मर्जी के बिना उन पे नहीं थोपा जाएगा। जिन 3 प्रोजेक्ट्स की मैडम ने बात की, वो 3 प्रोजेक्ट्स गोवा के लोग नहीं चाहते, लेकिन सब लोगों को ये लग रहा है गोवा के अंदर कि केंद्र सरकार कुछ चंद कैपिटलिस्ट्स को, बड़े बड़े इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट्स को फ़ायदा पहुंचाने के लिए गोवा के लोगों की मर्जी के खिलाफ वो कर रही है। हम इसके खिलाफ हैं। आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार बनेगी तो गोवा के लोगों की मर्जी के बिना कोई भी काम नहीं किया जाएगा। आज गोवा के अंदर कांग्रेस के ऊपर से लोगों का भरोसा उठ चुका है, बीजेपी बिखर रही है। आम आदमी पार्टी इज़ द ओनली होप ऑफ द पीपल ऑफ गोवा, एंड मैं आप सबको यकीन दिलाता हूं गोवा के लोगों को कि आम आदमी पार्टी आपको एक अच्छी और ईमानदार सरकार देगी।